What's the meaning of criticize? Criticize. Criticize.
Criticize. Criticize. The word criticize means to express disapproval of someone or something, usually in a negative manner. It involves carefully evaluating and analyzing the subject matter to identify its flaws or shortcomings. The main objective of criticism is to provide constructive feedback that can be used to improve the criticized object or person. The result of criticism can vary, ranging from positive changes and improvements to negative outcomes such as hurt feelings or resentment. Ultimately, the effectiveness of criticism depends on how it is delivered and received.